Handlebars are an often overlooked aspect of a bike. It might seem like a simple upgrade for a mountain bike, but if you can choose one wisely, it'll produce tremendous results to improve the overall comfort, control, handling, and performance of your ride out on the trail. Therefore, in today's video, we're going to talk about the 7 best handlebars for a mountain bike based on the materials, widths, geometries, and clamp diameters with different stiffness levels, compliance, and vibration absorption. So, let's dive in.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
With a unique vibration damping technology and an extra wide design, the Spank 35 VIBROCORE bar delivers exact steering and precise cornering with comfort on the trails. It features an ultra-wide 820mm handlebar that is also adjustable to 760mm, great for downhill and free riding. Besides, the bar has something called shot pin anodized finish on it, making it less prone to scratches. Well, it has a big and burly 35mm bar clamp with 25mm of rise, which ultimately results in increased strength and stiffness. Don't worry, if the trails you're gonna ride on are tough, as its VIBROCORE technology will effectively eliminate vibration, arm fatigue, and arm pump by absorbing shocks and bumps. Some people don't prefer carbon when it comes to handlebars, and if you're someone old school like them, you'll surely fall in love with what the Spank 35 VIBROCORE bar has to offer. Featuring an optimized balance of stiffness and compliance, we have the Funn full-on MTB handlebar as the most affordable option on our list. It has got a triple-butted aluminum 6061 construction with a tough and durable stand blast finish. Out on the trails, it provides you with solid and comfortable feedback with a degree of vibration reduction. Besides, the Funn full-on MTB handlebar is available in 31.8mm clamp diameter and 785mm width. However, it also offers a 35mm clamp diameter and an 810mm width option, which increases its stability, versatility, and reduces the likelihood of chopping down the bar. And finally, it weighs around 12 ounces with easy setup and plenty of markings for assembly. If you're looking for a truly reliable and affordable wide handlebar for a downhill, enduro, trail, and XC mountain bikes, go for the Funn full-on MTB handlebar. It might not blow your mind with futuristic features, but it'll not disappoint you in terms of its value. Precisely designed and developed to offer the ultimate combination of durability, strength, and lightness, the Renthal Fatbar Light 35 is a trail-proof handlebar suited to a wide range of disciplines, from trail riding to enduro racing. Well, its 7050 T6 aluminum alloy construction provides durability within your affordability while still being lightweight. On top of it, this handlebar features shot pinning and hard anodizing treatment, taking its durability to a whole new level. As a result, its surface becomes reinforced to withstand better abrasion, seasons of abuse, and combat fatigue over time. Besides, its 35mm clamp diameter will keep you up to date with the latest MTB standards with the promise of improved stiffness and rigidity compared to a 31.8mm clamp. Finally, you'll definitely love its 760mm handle width, and most importantly, it has 4 different rise options for you to choose. If you're tired of your stock bars, use this Renthal Fatbar Light 35 as a worthwhile upgrade for more enhanced performance in the trails and a fantastic value for your money. Combining unique ride characteristics in a patent-pending oval-shaped design, the OneUp component's carbon handlebar minimizes arm pump and vibration and maximizes steering response. First of all, this is a handlebar made of carbon fiber. Therefore, this is very lightweight, weighing only around 7.7 ounces, yet very durable. It provides you with confidence and forgiveness for the big descents with its 35mm clamp diameter and 800mm width. Besides, it has got a patent-pending oval shape combining the best rider characteristics of 31.8mm and 35mm bar standards into one package, which effectively makes a ride easy. All in all, the OneUp component's carbon handlebar is engineered to feel great in your hands, allowing you to ride for a longer time with utmost confidence, especially for the big descents. Specifically designed with downhill, enduro, and trail riding geometry in mind, the Chromag OSX 35 handlebar features significant improvements in feel, strength-to-weight ratio, and overall riding performance. 7000 series aluminum alloy is used for its construction, and by refining its shape and utilizing variable budding and advanced heat treatment techniques, Chromag has increased its fatigue life by over 50% with added resistance to stress and corrosion, and 50% is huge. While it now offers a full 800mm wide alloy bar using the oversized 35mm of clamp diameter for increased riding efficiency. Besides, it delivers minimal twang or harsh vibrations, allowing you to feel really muscular and direct changing direction so that you can enjoy a smooth and precise ride. In a sense, Chromag has got some of the widest, strongest bars on the market, and this one is no exception. Boasting a focus on quality and up-to-date geometry, the OSX 35 is a fine example of what Chromag can make. With a beautiful finish and decent comfort level, the Race Face Atlas 35 handlebar is an excellent option currently available in the market for the more demanding riders looking for a bomb-proof setup. Featuring a very reliable 7075 aluminum construction, it is available in 20 and 30mm rise options with 35mm clamp diameter, making it one of the most rigid bars in the Atlas family. Besides, it is 820mm in width. So this is wide, but don't worry, you will find marks for cutting them down to more common sizes, though you cannot make them shorter than 772mm. And finally, it feels solid on the trails with an impressive steering accuracy, but at the cost of a slight vibration. In a sense, the Race Face Atlas 35 handlebar is a good option for riders looking for a tough, stiff, and very wide bar for aggressive, gravity-based riding. It's gonna be a perfect choice for you if you want a wide handlebar with stability and speed and are not too concerned about weight. As the best overall mountain bike handlebar on our list, we have the Deity component Speedway 35 carbon riser. This carbon bar is the strongest one available in the market today and specifically refined to allow you to push your limits while maintaining complete control. Deity prides itself in making this unidirectional carbon handlebar that looks good and works well on the bike. Its 35mm clamp diameter is not without its challenges when it comes to getting the appropriate feel and stiffness. Besides, it has got an 810mm wide handlebar that if you think it's too wide for you, you can cut it down effortlessly because of the markings on it and make it shorter according to your preference. Whether it's bumping a decent at top speeds or crushing a climb to earn a comp, the Deity component Speedway 35 carbon riser will always allow you to be the fastest with utmost confidence, comfort, and control. So that was all about the 7 best handlebars for mountain bike just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.